Hey Zac, are you done now? I am feeling very tired sitting here this long.
Yes, Lily. Almost finished. Oh, it looks lovely.
Wow, I am really excited to see your masterpiece. Let me have a look.
Here you go, Lily. I know you'll love it.
Zac, where am I in this painting? You made me pose this long and forgot adding me? Huh?
Oh. Did you think I was painting you? I asked you to sit as you were blocking the lovely view behind. Oops.
Oh my God. Are you serious, Zac?
Ha. I got you, didn't I, Lily? How could I miss you in my painting? Here's the one with you in it. This is my true masterpiece.
Oh, well. You did get me this time, Zac. Ha. Very funny indeed. Now, if you are done being funny, can we start our session today?
Absolutely, Lily. A very good morning to all our friends. Hope you all are doing great. Today we shall continue from our last session on adjectives with size and shapes, and try and understand how shapes can be used as describing word for our nouns.
We already know which are the common shapes, and we see them all around. When used as adjectives, these words help us understand how an object looks from the outside. Let's understand this through a few quick examples. Think about the food we eat. The plate that we eat on is round in shape. Similarly, the bread or cheese are square-shaped. Does any of you eat a pizza? Well, that is shaped as a triangle. So the shapes tell us about the outer appearance of things we use. Hope you got it?
Nicely explained, Lily. Now, put on your seatbelts on, as we are going to fly out of here for our sentences. So, here we go. Nice view, right? Our sentence here would be, the earth is round, just like the orange on the tree. Here, the shapes are telling us how our nouns, earth and orange, look from the outside. Let's shift the scene again. Oh, nice to be back to my school. Our sentence here would be, the rectangle board in this class is shaped just like my mobile phone. Hope you all are getting it?
Thanks, Zac. Another sentence with shapes would be, the triangular mountain peak is just like the wizard's hat in the Harry Potter movie. One more with square could be, the square window is like the square cheese slice we eat. Now, it is important to understand that by using shape adjectives like round, square, and triangular, you can paint a picture with your words and help your friends imagine exactly what you are talking about.
Thanks, Lily, for sharing these examples. Now, all of you practice shapes in your sentences today. See if you can find any objects with shapes that are not so common, like an oval, or conical, or even twisted. Continue using these, and we shall connect again with more on adjectives in our next session. Bye and happy learning!